Hello mga kamat, ngayon pag-uusapan natin operations with monomials. Kasi isa ito sa lesson namin sa grade 8. So what are the rules for adding and subtracting monomials? To add or subtract monomials that are like terms, magkaparehas ang terms, you leave the variables as they are or kukopyahin lang natin, then you add or subtract the coefficients. Pag sinabing coefficients, yung number na kasama ng variables. So if you have monomials that are not like terms, you add or subtract as many like terms as you can, and you leave the terms that are not like terms in your answer. So pag hindi magkaparehas, kukopyahin lang natin. Example. So ito, addition and subtraction muna tayo. So ang gagawin natin, sabi dun sa rules, kapag magkaparehas ang variables, copy lang natin. Then add natin yung coefficient. Yan na 2 and 3, yun yung tinatawag natin na coefficients. So, 2 plus 3, the answer is 5. Then, copy natin yung A. Next, sabi doon, kapag unlike terms, wag natin i-add. Copy lang natin. Kaya copy natin na x plus x squared. Next, ito, x squared plus x. Sasagutan nyo na lang yan. Okay? Ilagay nyo sa comment section ko kung ano yung sagot ninyo sa pangatlo. Next, subtraction tayo. Parehas x. Tama. Walang exponent. Same. So, subtract natin. 6 minus 3, the answer is 3. Then, copy natin yung x. Next, magkaiba. A squared minus a. Magkaiba. Same ang variables, pero magkaiba po ang exponent. Yung isa 2, ang isa ay 1. So, copy lang natin. Okay, try natin yung next. Then, just comment. Pakitry ng number 3. I-comment lang po yung sagot. Next, multiplication and division. So, what are the rules for multiplying and dividing monomials? When we multiply two monomials, we multiply the coefficients together. Then you multiply the variables together. Similarly, while dividing monomials, divide the coefficients and then divide variables. Example, b cubed times b raised to 5. So, same variables, copy natin kasi same. Then, yung exponent natin, ang gagawin natin dyan, ipag-add natin. So, 3 plus 5. So, it's equal to b raised to 8. Okay, very good. Next. So, ang exponent ng x natin ay 3 at saka 2, tama? Okay. So, gagawin natin, ipag-add natin. So, multiply muna natin. 4 times 5, then 20. Then, add natin x raised to 3 plus 2. The answer is 5. So, 20x raised to 5. Next, try nyo na lang po yung example number 3. Then, i-comment na lang po sa baba. Next, division tayo. So, copy natin yung x kasi pag same ang variables, copy lang natin. Then, gagawin nyo, subtract nyo po yung exponent. So, 6 minus 4, the answer is 2. So, the answer is x squared. Next, 15y raised to 4 divided by 3y squared. Then, divide muna natin. 15 divided by 3, the answer is 5. Then, subtract 4 minus 2. Copy natin y, then subtract natin 4 minus 2. So, 5y, then 4 minus 2, the answer is 2. Then, next, try po natin is solve yung number 3 example ng division. Thank you.